Good morning students, welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Today we will discuss our lesson 4 advanced features of access. Let's start with the sorting. Sorting data in a table. It means arrange the rows in ascending or descending order with respect to a given field. Sorting का मतलब है जब हम access के अंदर टेबल के डाटा को अरेंज करते हैं या तो असेंडिंग में या डिसेंडिंग में, मीन्स या स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट में या लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट में, उसे हम सॉर्ट करना कहते हैं. हाउ टू सॉर्ट डाटा इन अ टेबल. द स्टेप 1, सेलेक्ट द फील्ड ऑन विच यू वांट टू सॉर्ट. स्टेप 2, क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो. Step 3, select sort smallest to largest ascending or sort largest to smaller descending. The table will be sorted accordingly. Filtering data in a table. Using the filter option, you can display a selected number of records based on one or more condition. Filter means जब हम entire table में से कुछ रिकॉर्ड्स ही देखना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए हम फिल्टर्स यूज़ करते हैं. स्टेप्स टू फिल्टरिंग द डाटा. स्टेप 1, क्लिक ऑन ड्रॉप डाउन एरो ऑन द राइट ऑफ द फील्ड हेडिंग. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, क्लिक ऑन द चेक बॉक्स फॉर द रिकॉर्ड you want to filter and click on OK button. We can also filter records based on conditions that select data which are greater than, less than, equal or not equal to some other value. For this purpose, follow the steps. Step 1, click on the drop down arrow. Step 2, from the drop down list, select the number filter option. Step 3, from the sub menu that appears, select the option less than. Step 4, the custom filter dialog box appears. Type any value that you want and press OK. Records will be displayed accordingly. How to search a record in a table. The search box is used to search for a record. It is located at the bottom of the Access window. Creating queries, forms and reports in Access. Queries in Access. A query is used to get specific information from one or more tables in the database based on a condition. Queries में हम दो या दो से अधिक टेबल्स को मर्ज करके उसमें से कुछ स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले करवाते हैं. और you can say it is a combination of different tables. Creating a query in a design view. Click on the Query Design button in the Queries group under the Create tab. The Show Table dialog box opens. Click on the desired table name under the Tables tab and click on Add button. To include all the fields, double-click on each field from the inserted table to place them in the grid. The selected field and table name appear. Those fields you want to display, write the value within quotes as the condition value to check while selecting the records. Click on the Save button. A Save As dialog box will appear. Enter the query name and click on OK to save it. Running a query. You can run a query by clicking on the Run button or double-clicking on the view. The output of the query will be seen as a table in the datasheet view. Students, hope you all have understood. Thank you.